Hi, it's me, Markov Yuri, the Darker Lord's wife. Today, I will talk about the alternate farting sound effect from AG9X10. It's from a video called vertical bracket Halloween special / dash fart vertical bracket AG9X10. It was uploaded 3 years ago on Halloween, which is October 31st, 2021. The duration of the sound effect is 1:16 to 1:26. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I will show you his sound effect. Here's what it sounds like. Time to preview it. See, I told you. This is how the farting sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet, although I'm pooping. I need to get the poop out. I have to use my tummy muscles. I feel so much better. I farted for 10 seconds before I pooped. Remember kids, make sure you use AG9X10's farting sound effect, or her alt, when you need to go to the bathroom. It starts at 1:16 and ends at 1:26. Make sure you remove the cute music at the beginning and end, okay?